Hello, hi viewers. I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss classified question of algebra and number. So we continue discussion from question number one onwards. Here we have question number one related to currency exchange. So in this question, Umar changes 2000 Saudi Arabian Riyal into euro when the exchange rate is 1 euro equal 5.087 SAR. Work out how much Umar receives, giving your answer correct to nearest euro. So we can say that here the information given is 1 euro equal 5.087 SAR, and we are looking the answer of 2000 SAR into euro. So we don't know euro. I will suppose to say that X. Just cross multiply, and we will have the next step 5.087x equal 2000. Next step we can say that 2000 divide 5.087, which is equal here 2000 divide 5.087. This gives us 393.15. So we are looking nearest euro. So I will preferably to write whole number 393, and this answer is in euro. We move next part. Next question. Boris invest $550 at a rate of 2% per year simple interest. So calculate the amount Boris has after 10 years. So here we will apply a simple interest formula. 550, the amount represent principal. 2, we have rate, and the number of years we have 10. So the formula is simple interest equal PRT over 100. So 550 multiply 2, 2 is the rate, multiply times 10 over 100. We can cancel these. So we have 55 multiplied by 2, 110. So this is the interest after 10 years Boris will get, but they want amount. So amount, our total amount is equal principal plus interest. Okay, so principal amount is 550 plus 110, which is equal 660. That is the total amount Boris has after 10 years. Next question number 3. Hans invest 550 at a rate of X percent per year compound interest. So at the end of 10 years, he has total amount of $638.30 correct to nearest cents. So find X. So for compound interest, we have the formula P bracket open 1 plus R over 100 whole power. And that means N means represent number of years, R is rate, P is principal amount. Here the total amount we know after 10 years, that is 638.30, and principal amount is 551 plus R we don't know, X over, and we have number of years 10. Next step, we can say that 638.3 over 550 is equal to here 100 plus X over 100 whole power 10. This 10 we can cancel by taking 10th root on both sides, means 10th root right as well as left. So we will check in the calculator what it gives us. If I say shift, this will work. Oh, shift, and it is 10th root. Okay, keep inside, and we have the value 638.30 over 550. That gives me 1.015. 1.015, is equal to, here we can cancel, so we have 100 plus x over 100, and next step you can multiply. 1.015 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100 plus x. So after multiplying by 100, point will move two places right, so 101.5, and we can take this 100 from right to left, so x equal 101.5, 101.5, negative 100, that gives me 1.5. So our rate is 1.5%. I hope so you get it. Number 4 is easy. So they just want us to write significant figure, and remember that when any number start with 0 or leading 0, we will not count as significant figure. And we are looking to significant figure. It means I will round off 8. So if you round off 8, you have to add 1, or the previous number will round up, means 0.045. So this number has two significant figure. Next, write 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So we have 2,760,000 in standard form. So we have to bring point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places left. We can count again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So standard form will be 2.76 multiplied 10 power 6, because we moved the point 6 places left from right to left. Okay. Next question, number 5. The side of a triangle are 5.2 centimeter, 6.3 centimeter, and 9.4 centimeter, each correct to nearest millimeter. Calculate the lower bound of the perimeter of the triangle. So we are looking lower bound. So for lower bound, I will find all the lower lengths, means all these three sides, 5.2, 6.3, 9.4. I will try to find it first lower sides and then lower bound or the perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter of a triangle, basically we will add all these sides at the end. Okay, but we have to check the our degree of accuracy. They say correct to nearest millimeter. In 1 millimeter, we have 1 over 10 or 0.1 centimeter. So our degree of accuracy must be the half of this value, which is equal 0.05. So for as we are looking lower bound, so I will find all lower sides, okay, of the triangle. First one is 5.2 negative 0.05, which gives me 5.15, and the second side is 6.3 centimeter, so negative 0.05, which is equal to 6.25, and the third side is 9.4 minus 0.05, which is equal 9.35. So once you find out all the lower lengths or sides for perimeter, we just add all these three. So we can say that lower bound of perimeter of triangle is equal 5.15, 6.25 plus 9.35. So once you add, you will find out easily the lower bound of the perimeter of a triangle. So 5.15 plus 6.25 plus 9.35. So which is equal 20.75 centimeter. Next one is a tourist change $500 to euro. Again, this is related to currency exchange. So when the exchange rate is 1 euro equal 1 euro equal $1.0697. So we are looking $500 equal how many euros? So that gives me 1.0697x is equal to 500. And next step, 500 over 1.0697, which is equal, we can check here, 500 over 1.0697, that gives me 467.4, but we are looking how many euros. So as whole number, 467 will work for us. So we can say that these are the euros we have after using this currency exchange concept. I hope so you get an idea. Next one, 7. Here we have recurring number or recurring decimals, a number which repeats after decimal number of times. Like it can be one number, it can be two numbers, it can be more than two numbers, like 143 like 2626, like 0.3333. So how to change these number into fractions? So let's have a look. I will use algebraic concept. I was supposed to say that this is equal 0.4848, and as I know that the two numbers are repeating, so I will move point two places right. So for that I need to multiply 100 both sides. This way I will get 48.48. And next step, I will multiply such a way so that after point I must have same values. So 1 will work for us, means 0.48. This is up to so on, up to so on. Once you subtract, it is 99x. And after subtraction, you will have 48. So next step, x is equal to 48 over 99. Both are divisible by 3, so 16 over 33. And we can check also that 16 over 33 fraction gives us same answer. Yes, 0.484848. So I hope so you get it. This is our last simplified form answer. Next question 8 is also related to lower and upper bound. So what they want from us here, the diagram shows three identical cuboids in a tower. The height of one cuboid is 6.5 centimeter, correct to nearest millimeter. Again, it is in millimeters, so we will convert 1 millimeter into centimeter. That we know it is 1 over 10 centimeter or 0.1 centimeter. And we will take the half of this degree of accuracy, so which is equal 0.05. Now for lower I will subtract and upper I will add. They want us upper bound. So as they said, the height of one cuboid is 6. Let's suppose 6.5 height of one cuboid, then again 6.5, then again 6.5, because all or this diagram shows three identical cuboids. So their heights are same. Fine. As we are looking upper bound, so I will find out first upper length is what, or upper height. Okay, upper height is equal 6.5 plus 0.05, which gives me 6.55. And then we are looking the total height. You can say that upper bound of height, which means total height, okay? Total height of tower is equal 6.55 plus 6.55 plus 6.55. So that gives me, if we check here, 6.55 plus 6.55 plus 6.55, it is equal 19.65 centimeter. This is our answer. Next, question number 9. A car leaves Brampton at 16:39, and this is time, okay? 16:39, it is in 24-hour clock, means 4:39. It travels a distance of 315 kilometer and arrives at Hallfield at 2:29, means 8:09. So how long? It means they want time from 4:39 to 8:09. How much time? Okay. So one way is to, we can subtract from 29 to, as you can see here, you can subtract 16:39. So 9 minus 9 0, but from, we cannot subtract 3 from 0. We will bring 1 hour. So if you bring 1 hour, it would be 19, and here 6. 6 minus 3 3. So 9 minus 6 3 again. So means 3 hours and 30 minutes. This is the time the journey will take, or you can say that 3.5 hours. Okay, if you want to change to hours. B part, they want us average speed. So average speed is equal total distance over total time, means total distance is 315 over total time is 3.5, which is equal, we can check here, 315 divide 3.5, 90 kilometer per hour. That is the average speed of the car. Next, then Mosen has 600 pear trees and 720 apple trees on his farm. Write the ratio. So pear trees to apple tree in its simplest form. So we know that pear trees are 600 and apple trees are 720. So divide by 10, we will have 60 ratio 72. Again divide by 6, so 10 ratio 12, and again divide by 2, we will have 5 ratio 6. So this is the answer in its simplest form. Each apple tree produces 16 boxes of 16 boxes of apple each year. One box contains 18 kg of apples, and calculate the total mass of apples produced by 720 trees in 1 year. Give your answer in standard form. So 2 3 things they want us. So each apple tree, so we can say that the each apple tree each apple tree produces how much? Produces 16 boxes. Yes. So as we know that we have 720 apple trees, okay? Even they mention here also 720. So 720 apple tree produces how much? So 16, how much or how many boxes? 16 multiplied by 720, that gives us 16 multiply 720, it is equal 11,520, 11,520. These are the number of boxes. And remember that the boxes has the weight also. So they said one box contain 18 kg. So 11,520 boxes contain how much weight? So you can say that the mass of 11,520 boxes equal 11,520 multiplied by 18. We will check again. So multiply by 18. It gives me 270 207,360, and then they want to write this answer in standard form. So I will bring point 1 2 3 4 5 places left. So 2.0736 multiply 10 power 1 2 3 4 5. So 5. This is the required answer in standard form. Next we have 1 week. The total mass of pear was 18,540 kg. For this week, the ratio mass to mass of apple ratio mass of pear is 13:9. Find the mass of apple picked at that week. So that ratio will help us. That means the ratio of apple to ratio of pear. It is, you can say that mass of apples ratio mass of pear, which is 13:9. Remember that we know about pears, okay, which is 18,540. So you have to check what we multiply 9 to get this. So you can check like this way: 18,540 divided by 9, that gives me 2060. So same number you can multiply here, 2060. That gives you the exactly mass of apples which are picked on that week. So here we can say that 2060 multiplied by 13 gives us 26,780. 780. Remember that this is the weight of apples in kg. That's what they want. Find the mass of apples picked in that week. Next part, they say what the apple cost. So we know cost price, okay? We know cost price is equal $0.85 per kilogram, okay? To produce, he sells them at a profit of 60. So profit equals 60%. They want us work out the selling price. So remember that I will use this formula. Selling price is equal to, it is profit, so I will add 100 plus profit over 100 multiply cost price, means 100 plus 60 over 100 multiply 0.85. In next step, you can say that 160 over 100 multiply 0.85. If we check here, so 160 over 100 multiply 0.85, it gives me 1.36. So 1.36 is the selling price of per kilogram, okay, in dollar per kg. Next one, the scale of a map is 1:25,000. So two villages are 8 centimeter apart on the map. How far apart are they in real life or in actual? Give your answer in kilometers. So I would say on scale, we have two things, map to actual. Okay. So on map, we have one. I will consider both as centimeter. 25,000 centimeter. So keep same 1 centimeter, but change 25,000 centimeter into kilometer because it is requirement of the question. It means we know how to change centimeter to kilometer. 1 kilometer equal 100,000 centimeter. So 1 centimeter we have to divide 100,000. So now it is in kilometers. So 25,000 divided by 100,000. So now it is in kilometer. That I would say it is 0.25 kilometer. Once you arrange scale, now we move one part A, and it is what they want us change 8 centimeter, means 8 centimeter to real life, like actual. How far apart they are in real or in actual. So x equal 8 multiply 0.25. So 8 multiply 0.25, that gives me 2. So we have 2 kilometer. In B part, they want us, the formula is same, 1 centimeter represent 0.25 kilometer, and we are looking what 12 kilometer in real life. So if 12 kilometer in real life, how far apart would they be in map? Here, how much? So again, the cross multiplication will help us. So 0.25x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 12 0.25, which is equal, if we check here, 12 over 0.25, that gives me 48. So 48 on map centimeter. I hope so you get it. We will complete the rest of the classified question in next video. So see you.